So guys, come together with me as I unbox my iMac Mini. So this is the iMac Mini, guys. I just purchased from my workstation, adding it to my additional MacBook Pro. So I've been having some issue with my previous MacBook Pros, and I decided to add this to my workstation. I guess what? It's massive. So this is me trying to set it up on my workstation. I tried to connect the HDMI, removing the mode marks. So no, come on, I have to put it back, clean it up, and plug the power. I put on the power, injecting it on the computer. So it was actually giving me what I really want. I like the fact that it is very small, tiny. Then I power it on, then checking where the power is actually. So then I power it up, trying to configure it, connect it to my home Wi-Fi, put in the password, and quickly, boom, I'm into the navigation position. So this is me on the homepage. So I try as much as to even play the video. This is me trying to play a video, and guess what? The 4K resolution is massive, it's clear. My phone camera couldn't give the or do justice to it. Yeah.